What if I told you that you could trade crypto not just on price going up, but also when it goes down, and even use leverage to amplify your gains? Welcome to the world of futures trading on Binance. In this video, I'll walk you through what futures are, how to navigate the Binance Future platform, and the risks and tools every beginner needs to understand before making their first trade. Greetings everyone, and here's fame of meeting Dark Candle. In this video, as I told you, we're going to navigate future trades in Binance. Futures are contracts that let you speculate on the future price of a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. You don't actually own the coin. You're trading based on price movements. If you think the price will go up, you go long. And if you think it'll drop, you go short. And with leverage, you can multiply your exposure, but also your risk either. Now, to access future trades, you go to the top menu of Binance and here, Futures, and you go to USDM Futures. By clicking on this takes you to the main Binance Future dashboard. The first time you access it, you'll need to open a future account and agree to a disclaimer. Then transfer funds, usually USDT, from your spot wallet into your future wallet. These are two different wallets. You cannot use spot wallet to do future trades. You're going to transfer your spot as much as you need into your future wallet. And then comes the interface, which looks a bit like spot trading, but with some different aspects. The first one would be the chart, which is on the left now and is powered by TradingView. The second one is that the leverage slider in here, order types, position panel, they're all on the right side. And below, if you scroll down, you can see open positions, P&L, which stands for profit and loss, margin balance, and more. Remember that through all your tradings, everything here is built for active trading. The next thing I'm going to discuss about is placing a trade. Let's say you think Bitcoin will rise. Set your leverage, for example, 10x. Then place a buy long order. If BTC goes up in here, your gains are multiplied. You can also set a sell short order if you expect the price to fall. Always, I'm saying this, always use limit orders for precise entries and set a stop loss to protect yourself. Now about leverage and liquidation. I gotta tell you that leverage is a powerful tool, but dangerous either. At 10x, leverage a 10% price move in wrong direction can liquidate your position. This means, to put it in simple words, your trade is forced closed and you lose all your margin. Start low, for example, 2 times, 3 times, and always understand your liquidation price, which is shown in your position panel here. And about funding rates. Unlike spot markets, futures have funding rates, periodic fees exchanged between long and short traders. If more people are long, longs pay shorts, and vice versa. This helps keep futures prices in line with the spot market. It is small, but important to consider if holding positions for a long time. Now, talking about the tools that Binance offers you would be, the first one is TPSL, take profit stop loss, directly in your trade. It is very helpful. You could use it here by clicking on this TPSL. The next one would be isolated margin. It is only that position's margin is at risk. And cross margin is all your futures balance is used to avoid liquidation. Use position size calculators and never trade emotionally. And a beginner tip would be that futures are not for guessing, they're for strategic trading. Avoid revenge trades, don't go all in, and keep your leverage modest. Practice using Binance's testnet first or prepare trade until you're confident. One other tool you could use would be in here in more, learn, and mock trading will do the same as Binance's testnet. And now you're all set. This is your beginner's guidance to Binance's future. It's a powerful tool to trade the markets in both directions, but with power, some of these futures comes risks. be careful about this. Thanks for watching this video and keep up till the next one.